Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you all are enjoying the best of your health. Dear students, in the last lesson, we learned how to write an application. I think you do not know the importance of writing an application. Dear students, it is a long question of 5 marks. You can avail full marks with less effort. Dear students, there are two parts of the application. The one is format and second is body. Dear students, remember that there are no marks only for body or no marks only for format. They must be both must be correct. Okay, dear students, I would show you again the format of the application. This is the format of application that we have given to you. This is the principal, Iqra Faz Secondary School, Lahore. Subject, sir, with due respect, it is stated that, and this blank portion, this blank paper is for body, and this is the completion of the format. Thanking you. Yours obediently, name of the students, class, section, roll number and the date. Dear students, now I would like to show you the mistakes that you generally commit. The first mistake that is taken by you, this is small principal. This P is not small. Similarly, there is a comma. There is another type of mistake, principal with wrong spelling. This is correct. Spellings are correct, but this P must be capital. This E, the spellings are wrong, and there is also no punctuation sign. The principal, the P is capital, but there are spellings are again wrong, and there is no punctuation comma. This is the correct format. The principal, spellings are correct, principal, P is capital, and this comma. If you write here comma, then it is correct and you will have the marks. Second mistake that you commit is writing the name of your schools. Iqra Faz Secondary School. This H is capital, but secondary and school, both these are not capital. This is wrong, and their spelling of secondary are also wrong. There is no comma. Iqra Faz, now there some students write small h, this is small and this is small. This is mistake. You will write Iqra with capital I, Faz with capital H, secondary with capital S, and school is with capital S, and you will write a comma here. Third mistake, this is yours obediently. Some students write your, they don't write S, they don't put a comma here. Some students write small y and put a comma apostrophe here, but they don't write a comma here. This is small y. Spellings are correct. These spellings are correct. There is capital small y and there is punctuation mistake. This is correct, yours. This is also correct, but this capital O is wrong. You will write small o and you will punctuate with a comma. This is correct, yours obediently, and there is a comma. Fourth mistake that is taken, to write the dates, dated March. name of month with capital letters, but don't write this. This is a repetition. March is the third month. You have written again. This is wrong. Dated. This March, M is small. It is not correct. Once again, March with capital M, it is right, but you write the date with TH. This is wrong to write 21st. Okay, students, this is right format is dated March 21st and then comma and then name of year or date 21st March 2020. Dear students, it is very easy to write the application. There are 4 applications in your syllabus. That is, the first one is for sick leave, second is for an urgent piece of work, next for issuing a school leaving certificate, and the last for wedding ceremony. It is very easy to write an application. Dear students, I told you earlier that an application is written to the higher authority to have a favor. Dear students, the question statements: write an application to the principal of your school. The statement has mentioned the higher authority is the principal of your school. You will write the application to your principal. You will write the name of your school and then the subject of the application. Dear students, write an application to the principal of your school for sick leave. देखें, आपने ये एप्लीकेशन हायर अथॉरिटी को लिखनी थी और ये आपने हायर अथॉरिटी यहाँ लिख दी है. फिर योर स्कूल नेम आपका इधर लिख दिया गया, आपने लिख दिया है. And then subject, this is the subject to write here. Then sir, ये फॉर्मेट है आपका. उसके बाद आपके पास बॉडी है और बॉडी में आप मिस्टेक्स कम से कम करेंगे, कोशिश करेंगे ना हो, और नहीं होंगी तो आपके फुल मार्क्स आएंगे. Now students, try to minimize the grammatical mistakes as well as of spelling mistakes. Dear students, now this is homework for you. Don't waste your time, students. Take care of yourselves. Complete your homework. Exams are drawing near, so learn your all lessons and revise them properly. Dear students, don't waste your time, and Eid Mubarak to you. This is time to say you Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.